Next verse, he is just putting the thoughts to conclusion related to Karan Sharira. Let us read. Verse number 121. Sarva prakara pramiti prashantihi bijatmanavasthitireva buddhehe sushuptiretasya kila pratitihi kinchinna vedmiti jagat prasiddhehe. What is he saying here? See. Sarva prakara pramiti prashantihi. Prashantihi, absolute cessation. Absolute cessation of what? Pramiti. Pramiti is thought. Sarva prakara, all kinds of thoughts. All kinds of perceptions, all kinds of thoughts, all kind of knowledge. All these are different meanings of the word pramiti. Perception, knowledge, thought. Sarva prakara pramiti prashantihi. There is absolute cessation of all these different kinds of thoughts. Bijatmana avasthitihi eva buddhehe. Bijatmana, like the seed. Buddhehe avasthitihi. Buddhehe avasthitihi, presence of buddhi, mind. So the presence of mind is only like a seed. Means what? In its potential form. Mind is not present as mind. Mind is present as unmanifest mind. Potential mind, seed of mind, if you want to say. So, buddhehe avasthitihi, presence of mind, of buddhi, bijatmana eva, is like only a seed, is only like a seed. The mind is not present with all its thoughts, etc. It is in seed form, unmanifest form. Sushuptihi etasya pratitihi kila. Kila means, isn't it? Sushuptihi, deep sleep, etasya, of this causal body, pratitihi, experience. Isn't it? Kila. Isn't it that the deep sleep is its experience of this causal body? Yes. And what is my experience in this deep sleep? Kinchit na vedmi. I don't know anything. Kinchit, even a bit, na vedmi, I don't know. Iti jagat prasiddhehe. This is well known, universal experience this is. Everybody knows this. Why? Because everybody's experience is same. Jagat prasiddhehe is to say that everybody's experience of deep sleep is same. Everybody's experience of waking is different. Everybody's experience of dream is very different. But everybody's experience of deep sleep is same. What is that? Kinchit na vedmi. I know nothing. I don't know anything, even a bit. This is what is Karana Sharira, causal body, and this is what is the deep sleep is what? Its special state. Okay. Understanding? So what do we get from here? In deep sleep, what happens is the gross and subtle body become unmanifest, causal. They become one with the causal body, one homogeneous mass of nothingness, ignorance. And when you again start dreaming or you wake up, the subtle body and gross body come back. They become manifest again. Okay? This is what is causal body. What is causal body? Ignorance. Maya, of the nature of three gunas. That is causal body. And the special state of this causal body is deep sleep state. So how does he conclude? Let us read verse number 122. Dehendriya prana manohamadayah sarve vikara vishaya sukhadayah vyomadi bhutanyakhilam cha vishvam avyakta paryantamidam hyanatma. Dehendriya prana manohamadayah sarve vikara vishaya sukhadayah. Very simple. After studying 121 verses, I don't think I need to explain this at all. Deha, body, Indriya, senses. Prana, the vital airs, pranas. Manaha, mind. Aham, ahankara, ego. Adayah, etc. Sarve, all these. Then what? Vikaraha, modifications. Their modifications. Whose modifications? Of all these. All these survey plus their modifications. What are the modifications? Sukhadayah, sukha, etc. Sukha, dukkha, etc. etc. Raga, dvesha, kama, krodha, etc. Asti, jayate, vardhate, viparinmati, all that. We have seen that. All their modifications. Vishayaha, Vishayaha, the sense objects. The sense objects. Shabda, sparsha, rupa, rasa, gandha. The objects that we perceive, the trees and the mountains and the rivers, everything. Vishayaha, sense objects. Vyoma adi bhutani. Bhutani, elements. Vyoma adi, space, etc. 5 elements. Space, air, fire, water, earth. 5 elements. Akhilam cha vishwam, and the Akhila Vishwa, entire world. Avyakta paryantam, up to avyakta, up to maya, up to unmanifest. Hi, idam, anatma. Idam, this, all this put together, he, indeed, is anatma. Anatma, na atma. Na atma, not the self, not me. All this is not me. I am not the deha, body, senses, pranas, mind, ego, their modifications, the sense objects, the 5 elements, the entire world of objects and beings, up to Maya. None of this is me. Veji, too many things to count. No need. Idam hi anatma. That much you can remember. Idam means this. Whatever is this is not self, is anatma. This body, this mind, this prana, this object, this. Whatever you can call as this is not self. Idam means anatma. Simple. Okay? Whatever is this is not self. Okay. But one question. So, whatever is this is not self. So, next verse, 123. Little bit different tune is there. Maya Maya Karyam Sarvam.
Maya Maya Karyam Sarvam.
Mahadadi Deha Paryantam.
Mahadadi Deha Paryantam.
Asadidam Tattvam Vidhi.
Asadidam Tattvam Vidhi.
Tvam Marumarichika Kalpam.
Tvam Marumarichika Kalpam.
Maya Maya Karyam Sarvam. Mahadadi Deha Paryantam. Asadidam Tattvam Vidhi. Tvam Marumarichika Kalpam. Shankaracharya says, let me put this anatma in simple terms for you. Maya, Maya Karyam Sarvam. What is anatma? Maya and Maya Karya. Maya Karya, effect of Maya. So the cause Maya and all its effects, Sarvam. And what is the effect of Maya? Mahat Adi Deha Paryantam. Starting from Mahat. Mahat is total mind. Starting from Mahat, Deha Paryantam, up to gross body. So starting from Mahat means what? The total mind, the 5 subtle elements, and then their sattvic, rajasic, tamasic aspects, then the 5 gross elements, then the entire world of gross objects, the subtle world, subtle body, everything. These all called as Maya Karya, effect of Maya. So Maya Karyam Sarvam. Maya and effect of Maya, Mahatadi Deha Paryantam, starting from total mind up to your gross body, Asat. He says all this is Asat. Asat, unreal. It is not Sat. Why? Because it is Anatma. Atma is Sat. Anatma is Asat. Simple. Asat. Idam. It is this. This. Here, idam is not pronoun. Idam is Visheshana. It is this. It is this means what? Not me. Anatma Tattvam. It is not Atma Tattva. It is not the self. It is Anatma Tattva. It is not self. So Maya and the effect of Maya, beginning from total mind up to the gross world, all this, the entire collection is what? Unreal, called as this, and is not me, is not self. Tvam Viddhi, you please understand this. The teacher is teaching to the student. Tvam Viddhi, you understand this. What? Maru Marichika Kalpam. The entire thing, Anatma, is Kalpam, is like Maru Marichika. Maru Marichika, like mirage. Maru. Maru means desert sand. Marichika means the mirage water. Please understand that the entire gamut of Anatma is unreal. It is like mirage water. It is essenceless. It is existenceless. It is inert. The only essential existence is its substratum, the self, that is you. Everything other than that is not you, and therefore it is not real. So why are they explaining Anatma? To make me understand what I am not, and to make me understand that it is not real. Both. Anatma has essentially two things. One is gross body, subtle body, causal body, which I consider to be me. And Anatma also has the world, which I consider to be real. By calling everything as Anatma, it is explained that it is neither me nor is it real. Bandha, what is Bandha? This is what was called as Bandha, no? Anatmani Atma Buddhihi Jagati Satya Buddhihi. The feeling of I in something that is not me, and feeling of reality in the world which is not real. Now here, by taking everything as Anatma, it is explained that it is not me and it is not real. Why is it not real? Because it is not me, if you want to say it like that. The only reality is me, the existence. Here me is not this body or the mind. There is another way also of explaining all these things. Very famous line is there. Yadrishyam tajjadam tannashwaram tanmithya tadasat. What? Yadrishyam, that which can be perceived, known, seen. Tat jadam is inert. Yadrishyam tat jadam. Now what is inert is perishable. Why? Because something that is inert is created at a particular time, and therefore it will end at a particular time. Yadrishyam tad jadam tat nashwaram. Nashwaram, perishable. Now something that exists now but is going to end is called as mithya, unreal. Tat mithya. So yadrishyam, that which is perceived, known, tat jadam, is inert. That is nashwara, perishable. And because it is nashwara, it is mithya, tat mithya. Now, oh my dear, please understand, something that is mithya is asat. Asat is not there. Huh? What do you mean it is not there? It may be appearing now, but it is not there. Yatha marumarichika. So marumarichika kalpam. Marumarichika kalpam means what? You do perceive mirage water, but it is not there. Sand alone is. The substratum alone is. There is no superimposition. So everything that is seen is finally non-existent. See, yadrishyam, tad jadam, tad nashwaram, tad mithya, tad asat. And the entire anatma is seen. Veji, objects are seen, elements are seen, mind is seen. What about Maya? What about Karana Sharira? Karana Sharira is also seen. Why? I know nothing. In my deep sleep, what is my experience? I know nothing. So that nothing, that ignorance is also known to me. So that is also known. That is known means it is inert. Inert means perishable. Perishable means unreal. Unreal means non-existent. Maya, Maya karyam sarvam. Starting from Maya and all the effects of Maya. Mahadadi deha paryantam. Starting from Mahat, total mind, up to deha, up to gross body, asat. You can say here non-existent also, there is no problem. Idam, it is this. Anatma tattvam, it is not the self. Tvam vidhi, please understand this to be marumarichika kalpam. It is like mirage water on the desert sand. It appears to be there, it is seen also, but it is going to end, it is inert, and finally it is non-existent, it is not there. You may see the mirage water, but can your thirst be quenched by that mirage water? No, it cannot be. Why? Because it is not there. Sometimes in our mind only we imagine, oh, if I have this, it will be so nice. But with that, whatever you are imagining, your thirst, hunger is not going to be satisfied. Why? Because it is not there. But which body is there? No, it is not there. But I see the body, that's why it is not there. Because you see the body. Yadrishyam tannashwaram. Yadrishyam tad jadam tannashwaram. Tan mithya tad asat. The very fact that you know something proves that it is not there. Okay? Okay. So basically, whatever I knew so far, you have said that is not there. Then what is there? You are there.